Success happens when preparation meets opportunity, means that achieving success requires both readiness and opportunity. It suggests that success is not just a matter of luck, but it is also the result of being prepared to take advantage of opportunities that come your way. Preparation is the process of equipping yourself with the knowledge, skills, and resources needed to succeed. It involves investing time, effort, and resources into learning, practicing, and developing your abilities. By doing so, you increase your chances of success and improve your readiness to take on challenges. Opportunity, on the other hand, refers to a chance to do something or to achieve a goal. It is the occasion that presents itself and offers the possibility of success. Opportunities come in various forms, such as a job offer, an investment, or an encounter with someone who can help you. The phrase suggests that success requires both preparation and opportunity. To achieve success, you must first prepare yourself by developing the necessary skills and resources. Then, when an opportunity arises, you must be ready to take advantage of it. Success happens when your preparation meets an opportunity that you are ready and able to seize. In essence, the phrase emphasizes the importance of being proactive and taking control of your destiny. By being prepared and constantly on the lookout for opportunities, you increase your chances of success and make the most of every chance that comes your way.